Alright then, just taking a quick look at Ethereum then on the daily time frame, just continuing to chunk to the upside regardless of the look at how parabolic this fucking chart looks, man. I'm not kidding when I say that we truly are getting very, very parabolic right now. Quite reminiscent of the previous bull market for Ethereum. As you can see here, we had this range that we were in the previous bear market, I should say. We obviously had our high, our low, we test the high, we test the low, we come up, we break back test, and then we came up and had this massive up only kind of move for Ethereum, like this. If you consider this bear market similar, you can see here we had this ascending triangle kind of formation for Ethereum. We dump down, we test resistance again, we test a support trend line, resistance again, support trend line again, and we got the break, the back test of the overall resistance we're under for the bear market, and we're just now getting a first parabolic move to the upside, just like we were really in this area here. In the previous bear market, we got the break, the back test, and then we were just coming up here, going back towards all-time highs, just like we were in this previous bear market. You can see that's just what we're doing now as well. This was the previous all-time high here. This is the current all-time high. So I'd say we're probably about this level here, getting into that parabolic move into that level. We'll probably get the come up and the break, the back test, just like we did previously, and then really just chopping up throughout the bull market, as like we could see here. I think this time around a very similar thing could occur. Ethereum looks like nothing's going to stop it right now. We get the break, the back test, we start chopping our way up through our fib levels, we get up to around 10k, with a big pullback from around that 10k level, I would say. Obviously that's a big psychological target. Maybe we'll come down to like 6 or 7, 8k in this area here, and then maybe one final extension into the peak of the bull market for Ethereum, heading up to around 15 or 20k. I think is a fair target. Obviously it could go more, it could go less as well, considering the sheer size of Ethereum now. But I do think the network effect of Ethereum is pretty wild as well. And I did think we may have potentially underperformed in the previous bull market for a lot of cryptos. So we might see a bit more of an explosive one this time around. But anyway, things looking very spicy in that macro zone. And in the local area, I mean, what can I say? Things are looking truly parabolic. There's really not been any stopping Ethereum. Even this huge, massive liquidation of positions in general here at around all the way down to 3.2k. It got instantly bought back up. Within the same day, look at this daily candle is pretty wild, isn't it? Look at this full-on liquidation in both directions of people going long and short. And since then, really, we've just been continuing to the upside. Come on, make a new swing high. Right now, consolidating with low volume at the weekend. But we could easily trickle to the upside again for Ethereum, looking super bullish. But as I always say, when you see these big parabolic moves, you could see huge corrections at any point of 20, 30, maybe even 40%. If Bitcoin dumps down from its resistance where it's at, it's sitting under its all-time high right now, we'll easily see Ethereum coming back down again, probably back down as far as around 3k or maybe even lower, depending on how severe the correction is for Bitcoin at any point. So keep this in mind always. Don't go, oh, this video is a scam, you told me this was going to happen. Because at any single point, at any moment during a bull market, you could easily see a huge cascading liquidation caused by Bitcoin pulling back. Obviously, altcoins will dump massively in that instance. So keep that in mind, and you'll be very much more psychologically set for the bull market that's about to happen. Let's see what we can do.